Instant Firming Beauty Shot. Does it work? My REN Clean Skincare Review. Hello beautiful people, this is Anne, Fabulous Life 101. Thanks for tuning in today. On this channel, we cover everything from makeup to skincare to fashion to travel. Anything that makes you feel more fabulous at any age. So if you're not already a subscriber, could you please hit that little subscribe button and the bell notifications right now? Thanks so much. Well, I just discovered this new product from a company called REN. It's called REN Clean Skincare, Keep Young and Beautiful, Instant Firming Beauty Shot. Now, over the past few months, I've tried a bunch of instant firming products. I did reviews on several of them. Most of them, had a pretty good effect. Some I liked better than others, but all of them had this key ingredient of sodium silicate, which is basically like a chemical glass covering that sort of dries and firms. But I've been looking for something that's more natural, more nutrient rich, that will have the same results. So I heard about this REN Clean Skincare. This company is cruelty free. It uses natural ingredients. This has hyalurons and peptides. I don't see anything about sodium silicate or magnesium silicate or anything like that in the ingredient list. So how does it work? I'll let you know. So today I'm trying something different. It's REN Clean Skincare, and yes, it claims to be Instant Firming Beauty Shot. But this one is a little bit different because unlike the others, this is not a sodium silicate product. Rather, it is a cruelty-free, clean skincare product. It basically uses bioextracts, hyaluronine 1, hyaluron 2, and phycocolloids. So this is basically using natural ingredients, hyalurons and peptides. And it's just a little drop here. According to the instructions, you would apply 2 or 3 drops to clean face, follow with moisturizer, and then reapply over moisturizer or makeup throughout the day as needed. All right, let's see what kind of instant results I get with this. I'm going to start just putting it under the eyes and maybe a little along the forehead. And just a few places where I get lines. Okay, gonna let it dry for a minute. I do feel the skin tightening a little bit, similar to what I do when I use the silicone-based products. But the dramatic effect is not nearly the same. The lines have not disappeared. It's not instantly tight looking, but it does feel firmer. So anyway, I'm going to go on and put on my serums, moisturizers, sunscreen, makeup, and see how it works on top of the makeup. So I'm using Wild Rose Beauty Serum and Moisturizer. Well, I'm going to go off camera and do the rest of my makeup, and then I'll be right back and try this product again. So now the makeup is done, I'm going to try this again just to see if it does anything. So I'm going to just take a couple of drops, put right on my hand, and just start with this area right under the eyes where I tend to get crease and hollows. And gently pat. It says do not rub, gently pat. Now I find when I use a few of the other Insta-Tighten products, the ones that have the sodium silicate in it, this actually works to keep the area free from wrinkles for most of the day. How is it working with this? while it's not quite as dramatic, it does seem to have sort of plumped the area a little bit. Well, I'm going to go out today and check back at certain times during the day and just see if it's still working. Okay, I'm back after a few hours. While this doesn't have the Instatox type results, it does seem to have a plumping effect in the area that lasts quite a bit. I'm going to try doing a little retouch now. Just one drop. And again, just sort of pat it on. And again, this is all natural, nutrient-rich ingredients. There are just no silicone or sodium silicate or anything like that in this. It just basically adds nutrients to the skin and has a slight plumping effect. So, I think my overall opinion of this, is it an instant firming beauty shot? No, it isn't. But is it a good nutrient-rich serum that overall improves the texture of your skin? Yeah, so far after just a couple of days use, I'm liking it. Well, that's the video for today. If you liked it, could you please give me the thumbs up? Also, if you've tried this product and have your own opinion of it, or you have another product you'd like to recommend to me, leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. Have a fabulous day. Peace, love, and light.